Hey, lost my laundry list here. Today we unpack and install our new lighted 4-tier pots fountain. And let's open the box and see what's inside. So we should have the base. This is the top part here with the connection that goes to the pump. Then the main part, the cover for the housing of the pump and the water reservoir. Okay, let the assembly start. This hose goes in here. This goes on top. Like this. This tiny little thing here is the pump. Now we connect the hose to the pump here. And at this point later we can tune how strong the pumping will be, how strong the flow will be. And this is the connections for the lights, which we do after the connecting of the hose. First the hose. The pump, by the way, needs to be cleaned approximately, the rotor needs to be cleaned approximately once a month, according to the manual. Let's connect the lights. It looks nice, shiny in the evening. Alright, so the lights are now connected. That was a little bit of a hassle, but we made it. And now we attach the pump to the ground of the fountain here. Okay, so we decided to add some water so that the pump and the suckers get some hold on the bottom of this fountain. That should do it, I think. So let's see. Okay, now we fill in water until the pump is fully submerged. Alright, so the water is filled, and now I close the back lid just for cosmetic reasons here. Here the cable comes out, and now is the big moment. My lovely assistant will plug in the power, and we will see whether this thing is exploding or pumping or what. And here is the final product. Water is running smoothly and lights are shining. All is fine, and we live happily ever after.